This is how we can update all apps on the iPhone at once. So for this, we're going to go to the App Store like that. So we're going to get inside, and you want to pay attention to the top right corner where you have your profile picture. So click on this, and another set of options is going to appear. Right now, I want you to click on App Updates, and for me, it already tells me that I have 95 apps which wait to be updated. So we need to click there, and I have the list of the apps below, so I can of course update them individually, but at the top there is the button to update all. So as you can see, update all, and 95 apps are gonna get a new version. So really useful stuff, saves a lot of time because I just need to tap it once and it just gets the job done. Outside of that, there is one more method you might be interested in. When you head over to the settings, and at the bottom you find apps, and click on App Store in here, you can decide to enable the automatic app updates. So the toggle in the middle, you can see the app updates, which means it will automatically install new app updates. So you don't even have to go to the settings to click anything. It will just happen automatically. So that's another possibility for you. Let me know if it worked. Hit the thumbs up below, subscribe so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you later.